The Tenveo NDI PTZ camera joystick controller with a 7-inch LCD screen is clearly designed for professional-level camera control environments, such as live streaming, broadcasting, conferences, and multi-camera setups. From the first interaction, it feels less like a simple accessory and more like a dedicated control console built for serious production work. The standout feature is the built-in 7-inch LCD display. It gives real-time visual feedback of connected cameras, which makes switching and monitoring much more efficient during live operation. Instead of relying on external screens or guessing camera positions, everything is centralized in one place. That alone reduces setup complexity and helps maintain smoother workflow during production. The joystick control is responsive and precise, especially when adjusting PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom movements. Camera transitions feel smooth rather than jerky, which is important when tracking subjects or managing multiple angles in real time. Combined with physical buttons and shortcut controls, it allows quick switching between presets without diving into complicated menus. NDI support is another major advantage here. It enables network-based video transmission, which is especially useful for modern streaming setups where multiple cameras are connected over IP. This reduces cable dependency and makes scaling a multi-camera system much easier compared to traditional direct connections. The interface layout is structured in a way that feels intended for operators who need speed and efficiency. Once configured, it becomes easy to recall camera presets and control multiple units without delay. The screen layout also helps reduce confusion during live operation, which is critical in fast-paced environments where mistakes are costly. Build quality feels solid and professional, with a design that suits studio environments or fixed control stations. It's not a portable gadget, but rather a control hub meant to stay in one place and manage a full camera system. Overall, this PTZ joystick controller is best suited for streamers, churches, studios, and production teams who need centralized control over multiple NDI cameras. It simplifies complex setups and brings everything into one unified control surface, making live production more efficient and manageable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.